Alright guys, well here we have the reveal of Mando's 2021 Cummins with 6-inch Mcgaughy'S lift, 26x16s, and 35-inch Furies. Wow. Just take a look at this beauty right here. Let me show you guys from the angle right here. This is it right here. This is a money shot. Look at this beast. Obviously it has Mcgaughy'S radius arm. It comes with the coils already powder coated that color. So this whole kit is silver, which actually turned out perfect with his blue truck. And those are the 26x16 KG1 forged. We have the Fury 35 1550 26s. And these headlights right here are color matched, fully color matched by Fast Headlights in Summerville, South Carolina. Like I said many times, we don't take our headlights to anyone else because Phil is the best when it comes to doing headlights. And we also have the grill right here that's been painted. It's color matched. I mean, this whole truck, I mean, Mando loves to color match his trucks, and he does it very well. So the next thing he's going to color match would be those plastic pieces around the fog. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that might be too much blue. Possibly paint it silver to match the suspension. What do you guys think? And then also these tow mirrors were color matched. These were painted by a guy locally here in Augusta. They look killer. Can't even tell that somebody painted these. And if we go in the back, we have color matched taillights. So when Mando told me he was gonna paint his taillights blue, I was like, dude, you're gonna paint your red taillights blue? And I really wasn't sure. I was a little skeptical because I didn't think it would look that good, but these look absolutely killer. And my favorite part about Mando is this man still got his temp tag and pretty much finished his truck. But right now we're downtown. Oh, look at Alex. We got Southern Showstopper over here. I didn't bring my truck. We're just downtown taking pictures for Mando, you know, getting some rollers and whatnot. You guys know that truck over there? Alex's truck.
It's going up higher.
Yeah, and it's gonna be louder. Oh, are you ordering? How many things have you ordered today already?
Long tube headers, cooler.
Yeah.
And a lift spacer.
I love it.
Truck spacer.
I love it. So Alex's truck. So we all have diesels here, right? But Alex is that designated gas friend. But his truck is so clean, we can't even really make fun of him for having a gasser because his truck is cleaner than everyone else's. But we can make fun of Cam. Cam has a gasser and it's a Ram, so we definitely make fun of him. But Alex is like, we can't really joke around because this truck's so clean. Not that Cam's truck isn't clean, but it's just not as But yeah, this is Mando's 2021 Cummins. Hey, what else we doing?
Waiting on the cab lights getting color matched.
Oh, yeah.
Side markers on the tow mirrors getting color matched. Switchback LEDs. And doing a little bit more paint match.
A little bit more. So I was telling everybody, you know, you want to paint match the plastic piece on the bumper, right?
Yeah.
What if you did that silver to match your suspension?
Chrome plated.
Or
chrome plated to match the grill. I don't know.
You don't know? Because what if you do blue? That might be too much blue, don't you think? Or do a gloss black?
No, I think it's gonna be blue.
You think it's gonna be blue? Well, Mando's got his mind set. It's gonna be blue. He's feeling a little blue.
Blue, crane horns. Doing some performance mods here next week or two.
Starlight. Oh, we gotta show everybody Alex's Starlight.
It ain't dark enough yet.
Well, yeah, we'll do that when it gets a little darker.
JW wheel lights. rock lights.
Quadro. Also, Alex has got that as well, so we'll show you guys when it gets a little darker.
Super nice and bright.
They're bright. They're lit.
Yeah.
Quality.
Built in the USA.
Built in Alex's garage. One thing I do like about that Mcgaughy's lift kit is it really retained your factory ride quality. What do you think? Do you think it got better or about the same?
It's about the same. I was really impressed with it. As being as big as it is with the wheels, it rides really good.
I'm not gonna lie, I am not a fan of solid axle, but this thing rides pretty good. So huge shout out to Mcgaughy's for quality lift kit. Why do you like Mcgaughy's lift kit?
The install was super easy, straightforward. The parts come powder coated. Quality is there. The ride quality, it's amazing.
And that's coming from an installer, and he's also the owner of Elite Innovation. So if you guys around here need any of your Ram, GM, Duramax, or anything lifted, especially with Mcgaughy's lift kit, or he can do any other lift kits, but especially Mcgaughy's, if you want your truck to look like this, hit up Elite Innovations. The information will be right here.
Yep.
Hit a ZM.
Yeah, holler.
Yeah, and then he'll make it look like that. Check out this sick location we just found. Look at that. Dude, this is like some magazine material right here. Like, I love it. Like abandoned building. We got like these trees and branches that hasn't been taken care of in years. God, that is sick. I love it. Do it.
You ready? Yeah.
If anybody's wondering, no rub at all, full lock. So you can run 16 wides and 35s on a 6-inch lift if you wish to do so. Next thing on the to-do list is installing Mcgaughy's dual stabilizer bars and the shocks. So keep on the lookout for that. And like he also mentioned earlier, we still gotta do rock lights and wheel lights.
You going? Is that all you got?
Dude, that's not bad.
You clearing the back by like that much.
So if you got a leveling kit, you'd clear these like no problem.
No, that's full lock.
That was full lock?
Yeah. Triangle full lock the other way?
You were using that full lock.
All right.
I mean, he's barely scrubbing, barely.
I'll back it up in a picture.
Boy, she thick. Dude, that looks so good. Dang, son.
That looks so weird.
No, that looks so good. Dude.
Hey, what's that?
I don't know. He's got his tow mirrors out. Let's go see what he's pulling. Invisible trailer. What you pulling back here? Got your tow mirrors all sticking out.